SonicLM AI just hit the market, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this revolutionary software. If you're curious about how SonicLM AI can transform your digital marketing efforts, stay tuned. What I'm about to share will give you the edge you need. First, let me tell you something. This software isn't just another AI tool. It's packed with cutting-edge features that will save you time, boost your productivity, and optimize your digital strategies. You can even try it out completely free by clicking the link in the description below. What makes SonicLM stand out from the crowd? It's built on a next-gen language model that combines the power of automation with human-like intelligence. It's designed to streamline processes so you can get things done faster and with greater precision. From content creation to data analysis, SonicLM is a game changer. Let's talk about content generation first. If you're in digital marketing or content creation, you know how time-consuming it can be to write blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content. With SonicLM, it generates high-quality content in a fraction of the time. It analyzes your requirements and adapts its tone and style to match, making it feel almost like you're writing it yourself. But it doesn't stop at content. This AI software has robust analytics capabilities, enabling it to analyze trends and predict audience behavior. Whether you're tracking your audience's engagement or analyzing sales data, SonicLM's advanced algorithms make sense of the numbers and help you make smarter decisions in real time. Next, let's discuss the integration capabilities. SonicLM integrates seamlessly with most of the tools you're probably already using, like CRMs, social media management platforms, and marketing automation software. That means you won't have to waste time learning new systems or dealing with compatibility issues. Another major benefit is its ability to improve customer interaction. SonicLM comes with a built-in chatbot that uses advanced natural language processing to hold human-like conversations. This helps boost customer satisfaction and engagement, and it's available 24/7, unlike a human agent. Now, SonicLM AI isn't just for marketers. It's also perfect for businesses looking to streamline operations. With its automation features, you can set up workflows that handle repetitive tasks like lead nurturing, email marketing, and even sales follow-ups. That's right, SonicLM AI can run your entire marketing campaign from start to finish without constant human intervention. One of the coolest aspects of SonicLM AI is its scalability. As your business grows, this software grows with you. You can tailor it to fit the needs of your specific business model, no matter how complex. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, SonicLM has the tools to support you at every stage. So why is this one of the best just released AI software options? Simple. It combines versatility, ease of use, and cutting-edge technology all in one package. Whether you're looking to create content faster, optimize your marketing efforts, or improve customer engagement, SonicLM AI does it all. Remember, if you're new to this and want to give it a try for yourself, you can access it completely free through the link in the description below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I found that SonicLM stands out for its reliability and real-world applications. And if you're looking for other great AI software to try, I've got a list of my top recommendations in the description below. These are tools that I personally use and have tested, tools that can make a real difference in your digital marketing efforts. Don't miss out on exploring SonicLM AI and more. Click that link and start revolutionizing your approach to marketing today.